Cody Fintris.
I'm Mason Tate.
I'm Alex Elio.
And I'm Colton Marigo.
And this is our thermal camera environmental check. Colton?
So here we have our thermal camera, which is run off of a thermal imaging software called Virtual Panel. And we constructed it with a 8x8 pixel thermal camera and a LCD screen that reads the ambient temperature with a thermistor coming out the top. I'll tell Alex to go ahead and talk about the build.
So for the build, we decided to use some clear acrylic. We came in here to the lab. We drilled out a bunch of the slots, a lot of the spacing, so we could still run our wires inside of a box. Other slots for running power to it, and then holes for our thermistor as well.
You'll notice at the top of the box here that there is a thermistor. The thermistor is a resistor that is very sensitive to temperature changes that will cause the amount of resistance that it experiences to change. And using this, we can read it in circuit to notice the changing temperature of the environment. And that's how we get our ambient temperature readings.
So next, we're going to actually look at how this thing is tested. So the actual thermal camera is run off of our Arduino right here, and it's actually hooked up to what Colton was talking about earlier with the LCD screen. If you look right here, we actually have a heat lamp. So we're pretending like this is our actual wall or barrier. So this surface will heat up. And if you look at the actual computer screen right now, you can see it's pointed to the wall. So it's picking up a little bit of heat, but not much, right? But as soon as we turn this and we point it at the actual our setup here, you see that it's actually going to start picking up that heat signature right there.
And so the purpose of our thermal camera was to be able to detect leaks in HVAC systems. Also in restoration, it is used, thermal cameras can be used to detect moisture in a wall. So it's very useful to have a tripod and set it up so that way, you know, in HVAC a lot of times is they do leak detection tests, especially on copper wire. So it's beneficial to have a thermal camera. So we decided to come up with this project to be able to measure the temperature difference.